Hi everyone, this is Hiril and I'm going to share today. I have made a 3D rose flower using my Silhouette Cameo 4 and with these beautiful papers from Dress My Craft. They are brown family cardstock. So let me share my experience with you all. I am not at all comfortable using brown or craft colored cardstocks, so I always struggle what to make out of it and just using the cardstock. And then I try to search Pinterest and Instagram for more inspirations. So this time I thought of creating something unique. Usually what we do is whenever we make any flowers, we use pink, purple, pastel colors to make rose out of it, or red. But I think I just wanted to use something different, and I was struggling to use this brown family cardstocks, and I thought let's take a chance and make a beautiful rose out of it. And I'm very excited to share that the final product is marvelous. Hope you will enjoy this process video and let me know what you guys think about this rose, about me creating a rose with brown colored cardstocks, all the shades of brown. And don't forget to check out this brown colored cardstock. Family cardstock is from Dress My Craft, Crafters Corner, and you can go to their website and just write down brown family cardstock and it will open up. There are two choices, one is A4 and one is 12 by 12, so it's up to you, but go and check it out. Thank you for watching, guys.